going to Outback today, guys. We're going to eat lunch with Lacson family. Yay! Are you ready? Oh, ready na. Okay. Kuha tayong bariya. Kailangan ng pamasahe. Go! Okay, let's go. Bitawan mo na, isa lang dalhin mo. Madali niya pareho yun. Okay, let's go. Okay, jeep ka muna today. Nasa jeep si Gia. You okay? Ha? Tuwa siya. Stop the car. Nice one. Stop the car. Galing ni Kia. Hindi po. Truck. Ayun, nakita niyo yung truck. Galing talaga yan eh. Mami, where's Lomi? That's Lomi, oh. Is si Lomi? Dinitin na. Alright, nandito na tayo sa Outbox. Outbox, yeah. Makapag-chicken tayo ulit today. Go!
Sabi mo.
Thank you. May iba yung pwesto eh. Wow!
Sinasawag si Daddy dun eh.
Dede mo na yung baby, dede mo na.
Sakto yung laki ng stuffed baby sa kanya.
Ay! Lacson! Lola Mau and Lolo Ann. Oh, bless ikaw, bless. Ay po. Oh, bless. Bless ikaw, bless. Ito.
Hello, Kuya.
What's up? Kamusta ang Pilipinas so far? Huh?
Very good, very good.
Very good. Hi, Mia! Hi, hi. Bless daw siya.
Kasya po.
Kaya ba ito? Laki pa niya, no?
So small pa. So small
Sakto
yan si
pa.
Kier. Wow! What did you say? What did you say?
Ayun, say thank you. Very good talaga to eh.
Malaki pa ito.
Yeah, they're vlogging din guys. So.
Lipit ni Kier.
Gusto mo mag-walk?
Ay, wow, anak mo.
Wow, may shorts pala yun.
Wow! What did you say? Again?
Thank you. Thank you Tito Mau. Thank you po.
Attention naman eh. Sana may yuka na.
Kain na tayo ng lunch. Ayun na, paparating na natin mga pagkain. Bang bang bang. Rice. Next na ang ating ulams. Whoa, what's this? What's this? What's this? Kaya natin. Sinigang. So, hindi ko mabuksan eh. So, sinigang to, tapos ito naman dinuguan. Yeah. Wow, sinigang na isda? Isda no fish?
Doon na sa miso po.
Wow. Sarap. Buti na buksan nyo, kayo ng kapatid na rin buksan, ayaw ma-open. Yeah. Are you eating na? Are you done eating? You want water? Water. Water. Where's my baby's water? You want water? You want water? Guys, we also have chicken wings. Guys. Alright,
Oh, I
let's
think you can do
eat.
that side. I have to go on. Thank you so much.
Let's eat. Let's eat, guys. We're ready.
Nasaan ka na si Rich Team?
Kaya nga. So yun guys, tapos na kami kumain. Nag-ice cream pa lang kami. And dito nga, Tita Mau, Ate Mia, and Kuya Han. Thank you guys. So uwi na kami kasi si Kay nakantok na eh. So we're going home na. Dora, Dora.